All right, you ready to try it? If you've been following along, you know I've been making these easy 15-minute dinners. And today, I'm making a sticky, garlicky tofu bowl. And I'll show you the secret to getting that thick, sticky, glossy glaze to stick to every piece of tofu. Now let's get cooking. Before cooking the tofu, we need to get our veggies prepped and set aside. The recipe calls for 5 cloves of chopped garlic. However, we're going to try a new gadget I picked up. Instead of cutting my tofu into tiny little cubes, I like to tear mine. If you want to have more flavorful tofu, be sure to season before adding your cornstarch. I heated a little oil in the pan to get it nice and hot. Now let's add our tofu. You hear that sound? That's what you want. While that gets crispy, let's make our sauce. Adding cornstarch is what's going to take this from a thin sauce to that thick, glossy glaze. You know that 5 o'clock feeling you get when you're like, what do I even make for dinner? Instead of digging around on the web, I have everything right here on my Divine Chef budget-friendly Eats app. Budget dinners you won't find on the channel or on my website. You can save your favorites and skim a whole catalog right at your fingertips. I use it all the time, and I really think you'll love it too. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check it out. This is exactly what we're looking for. Golden edges on the outside, but the tofu is still tender inside. Before we add our sauce, we're going to add the garlic. And yes, we're using all 5 cloves. Turn heat down slightly, then add the sauce. 15 minutes, simple ingredients, and look at what we made. This is exactly why I love showing you that plant-based food doesn't have to be complicated or expensive to be delicious. Oh man, that's delicious. First thing comes through is that garlic. It's a perfectly garlicky flavor. It's sweetened just enough with that maple syrup, and the tofu stays nice and crispy underneath. Wow. So if you need another quick dinner for this week, save this one. I'll leave the link in the description below. And if you're enjoying these 15-minute dinners, be sure to subscribe. I'll be making another one next week. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.